In classwork 6-3, we're using synthetic division. Synthetic division is a shorthand method of dividing a polynomial by a linear binomial by using only the coefficients. For synthetic division to work, the polynomial must be written in standard form, using 0 as a coefficient for any missing terms, and the divisor must be in the form x minus a. Synthetic division method. For example, if we were to divide 2x squared plus 7x plus 9 by x plus 2 using synthetic division. Our first step, we would write the coefficients of the dividend, 2, 7, and 9. In the upper left corner, write the value of a for the divisor, x minus a. So a would equal -2. Copy the first coefficient in the dividend below the horizontal bar. Step 2, multiply the first coefficient by the divisor and write the product under the next coefficient. Add the numbers in the new column. -2 times 2 would give you -4. Then 7 minus 4, or 7 plus a -4, is 3. Repeat step 2 until additions have been completed in all columns. Draw a box around the last sum. Step 3, the quotient is represented by the numbers below the horizontal bar. The boxed number is the remainder. The other numbers are coefficients of the polynomial quotient in order of decreasing degree. So the 3 is the remainder. The 3 next to that would be our constant value. The 2 would be our linear value, so on and so forth. So our final answer, or our quotient, is 2x plus 3 divided by x plus 2. Let's do some examples. Divide using synthetic division. So first we're going to do x minus a. Our a value is 3, goes on the outside. Our coefficients are 6, -22, and a +9. We carry down the first value and place it underneath the horizontal bar. Then we do 3 times 6 to get 18. I then add -22 plus 18 to get -4, and repeat the process of multiplying the a value, 3, by the number under the horizontal bar. 3 times -4 is -12. The sum of 9 and -12 is -3. Therefore, my remainder is -3, and my answer is 6x minus 4. Let's try another one. Divide using synthetic division. Remember, my a value is x minus a. So that means that this is x minus a -1, which gave me my +1. So my a value is -1. My coefficients are -3, -10, and -2. My first step is to bring down that first value underneath the horizontal bar. Multiplying a, which is -1, times -3 gives me a +3. Add down the column, -10 plus 3 is -7. -1 times -7 is a +7. Add down the column, -2 plus 7 gives me a +5. So my answer is -3x minus 7 with a remainder of 5. Let's try a larger one. 5x to the 4th means there's 5. 21x cubed. We're missing our x squared value, so we're going to place a 0 in the x squared. -49 for our linear term, and 17 for our constant. Our a value is -3, because again it's x minus a, so that means it's x minus a -3 gave us x plus 3. So our a value is the -3. I bring down the first term. That gives me 5. Negative 3 times 5 is negative 15. Add down the column. 21 plus negative 15 is 6. Negative 3 times 6 gives me negative 18. Add down the column. 0 plus negative 18 is negative 18. Negative 3 times negative 18 gives a positive 54. Add down the column. Leaves me with 5. Negative 3 times 5 is negative 15. Add down the column. Gives me 2. So again, this is my remainder, my constant value, my linear value, my quadratic value, and my cubic value. So my final answer is 5x cubed plus 6x squared minus 18x plus 5 with a remainder of 2. Okay, let's try another one like that. Our a value is negative 7. Remember, this is x minus a. So this is x minus a negative 7. My coefficients are 5, 37, 0 because I'm missing my quadratic term, my x squared is not there, negative 102, and negative 23. Always carry down the first term. My a value times my first term, so negative 7 times 5 is negative 35. Add down the column, gives me 2. Negative 7 times 2 gives me negative 14. Add down the column, negative 14. Negative 7 times negative 14 gives me a positive 98. Add down the column is negative 4. Negative 7 times negative 4 gives me 28. Add down the last column, leaves me with 5. My remainder is 5. So this is my remainder, my constant, my linear term, my quadratic term, and my cubic term. So my answer is 5x cubed plus 2x squared minus 14x minus 4 with a remainder of 5.